How to withdraw money from Z-League. First things first, the reason why I'm currently using the web version of Z-League is because there's too much ads on the certain app. But the method that we will be showing you right now is actually the actual process and how you can cash out or withdraw your balance. So first things first is run your Z-League account by updating it to its latest version via the Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the app. Now head over directly to your account profile, and in there you should be able to see or your current balance will be visible. Now next thing to do is just heading directly to transactions. Now once you're on transactions, there just simply tap in cash out. Now you will be asked on how much you will be withdrawing the amount from your current balance. Once you have input the withdrawal amount, you will now then be redirected to the payment method, and in which you will be asked where the money will be sent to. Now just simply complete all the on-screen prompts and you should be able to successfully withdraw your current balance. So that's how easy and quick you can withdraw money from Z-League.